So geometric sequence has 20 terms with the first 4 terms given below. Find the rate, give your answer as a fraction. So you take 2 consecutive ones and put them into a fraction. So 279 over 418.5. Remember, it doesn't matter what 2 you use as long as you use 2 consecutive ones. 418.5. And it doesn't give me a fraction, so math, fraction, enter. Maybe you know that's 2/3, maybe you don't. So that's 2/3, that's a rate. If you actually use this, they don't care, so you could actually use that right there. Find the 5th term of the sequence. All right, so B is going to use that. So U1 was 418.5, so 418.5 times 2/3 to the 5 minus 1. All right, so 5 minus 1, that's going in the calculator. It says give it as a fraction, so if it doesn't give it to me as a fraction, I'm going to math fraction it again. So 418.5 times 2. 5 minus 1. Didn't give me as a fraction, so math fraction. 248 over 3. Find the smallest term in the sequence that's an integer. That means no decimals. I'm using the calculator here. So UN equals 418.5 times 2/3 to the 5 minus 1. All right. No, sorry. That is not correct. To the n minus 1. I'm putting that in the calculator in the y equals. So 418.5 times 2/3 to the, to the x minus 1. And then I'm going to the table. All right, so obviously it's not there. These are all decimals. So U4 is 124, and then there's no way it's giving me a whole number again. All right, so U4 equals 124. Everything else is a decimal or fraction. All right, with any of these geometrics with a fraction, once they start being a fraction, it basically stays a fraction forever. Sometimes it'll pop back once, but once it starts being crazy fractions, it does not come back out of there. So find S of 10 for the first 10 terms. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. So we're U1, which is 418.5 times 2/3 to the 10th minus 1 over 2/3 minus 1. Spots. 5. And it says correct at 2 decimal places, so 1233.73. 1233? Yeah, 1233.73. 1233.73. There's all my answers to that one. Pretty standard IB question.